Have you ever scrolled on your feed and meet this suggest post on your feed and you want to get rid of it? So how to remove suggest for you on Instagram is by clicking these three dots at the top right of your screen and click manage content preferences. And you wanna turn it on this snooze suggest post in feed. And if you cannot find this through the post, you can go to your profile page, then tap on these three lines at the top right of your screen, and you want to scroll down and click this content preferences on what you see and turn this on. What it will do is it will be hiding all of the suggest posts on your feed for 13 days. So eventually you want to go back to the settings every 13 days to turn it on, because every month it will automatically turn off again. And if you ever scroll on your feed and see this URL come up, then you cannot do anything to suggest posts for the rest of it. It's because it means that there are no other new content for you according to your following. But if you just want to see the post or the content from the people you follow, you can tap this Instagram sign and choose following. And there you go. No more suggest posts, only the posts or content from the people you follow. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.